Hi guys, this is our first video for the theater branch. Today we'll be making masquerade masks. So to make this mask, you'll need a pencil, a ruler, a string of any color, and some thick paper or a paper plate. Also, to decorate your mask, you'll need some markers and paint or glitter and some scissors. So the first step is to take your ruler and your thick paper and measure a line that's 5.5 inches. So now what you're going to do is you're going to draw the shape of a mask in between the lines, just like I'm showing you. Now what you're going to do is you're going to cut it out using your scissors. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold your mask in half and draw half ovals. And then you're going to cut them out for your eyes. You're also going to cut small holes on each side of the mask so that the string can go inside of it. So now you're going to get your string and you're going to put one side into the hole and then you're going to tie a knot on the side. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the other side of the string into the other hole and then tie a knot. And you can always change the size of the string depending on how big your head is. The final step is to decorate your mask however you'd like. You can use markers or paint or whatever you want. And this is all of our masks. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed our video.